Here's how to do a QuickTime recording. Open QuickTime, and you can ignore this first screen because it's just for opening a previously created movie. We're going to File, New Screen Recording. Okay, then this little toolbar will open. The first three are for screenshots. The next two are for making a video, a screen recording. And this is the entire screen. This is for just a selected region, which is what we want. While we're there, we click on Options, and you have a choice of where to save it to. If you click Desktop, the minute you stop recording, a file immediately appears on your desktop. We're going to choose QuickTime Player because then we have a chance to review it before we save it. Timer, this is the amount of delay. 5 seconds is fine. Microphone, you can click built-in mic, and as long as you speak clearly, it works fine. I'll choose my USB mic right now. Okay, then you notice that the cursor is a plus. That means that we need to select our area. Here we go. And now we have record as an option. So we click record. Okay. Once it counts down, do whatever you want to do with your screen, and it will be continuously recording for you. Okay. Now when you're done, up here you have this little button. So if you click on it, a window opens up, and this is your QuickTime movie. So you can then click here to preview it. Also trim it. So if you go to Edit, Trim, or Command T, you get the movie thing here. On either end is a yellow handle. So you pull it in. When it's to the space where you want it to end it, you just click that. Okay, so now our movie is shorter. This is what we are cutting out, and so you're trimming it. Okay, so now it's shorter. There are ways to cut it into pieces and to trim each section, and I'll send you a link for that. When you're done, then you say File, Save, and you give it a name. Make sure it's going to the desktop, or Command D to make sure it goes to the desktop, and you say click Save, and it's saved. Then you can close it.